Why don't we go and take a look at the portfolio itself? I know that when people are looking at portfolios, especially if you've been in business for 25 years, there's a lot of detail that goes into it. And the purpose for everybody watching today is that we're not going to be going over the details of every aspect of the system today, but I suggested in the conversation here as we start that you hit on the key main areas that you're addressing. So could you tell us a little bit about the key main areas that you're addressing as your product map?
Sure. So the solution itself, we cover the entire spectrum of an aviation enterprise. We have comprehensive functionality that covers almost all the core processes of an aviation enterprise, engineering and camo, the maintenance planning and execution, the MRO part sales, the flight operations, safety, reliability, quality, compliance, so on and so forth. And what's also interesting is that we have an equal emphasis on an aviation-focused supply chain, commercials and financials, which is integrated with the rest of the core processes. So that's an overview about our solution. And like you said, we may not be able to go into the next level of details, and that's probably what I would be covering, in the subsequent sections, Mark. Yeah.